Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, May 5. Government is reporting that tighter COVID-19 containment measures, which have been in place since late February, have been effective in slowing down the spread of the virus. In an update to Parliament Tuesday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness revealed that the COVID-19 reproductive rate had been steadily declining, with the number of new cases decreasing faster than new hospitalizations. Mr. Holness says despite the numbers trending in the right direction, the country will maintain its vigilance to avoid a third wave of the COVID-19 virus.
The existing measures will largely be extended for a 4-week period until the 2nd of June 2021. We have made some changes, some adjustments because of some imperatives which we can't escape.
Weekday curfew hours remain at 8 o'clock nightly to 5 a.m. the following day. The weekend curfew has been modified with Saturday lockdowns beginning at 6 p.m. Sunday curfews remain at 2 p.m. For the upcoming Labor Day, which will be observed on Monday, May 24, an all-day curfew will be in place. Meanwhile, face-to-face school has been approved for students sitting external exams starting Monday, May 10. These include CSEC, CAPE, PEP, City and Guilds, and other vocational skills examinations. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says approval was granted to ease the challenges being faced by teachers and students. He says this will be done on a rotation basis and under strict COVID-19 prevention guidelines set out by the Ministry of Health and Wellness.
We're not proposing that we will have the entire cohort of exam students coming to school all at once. So they will be given a schedule and they will be able to be rotated in. So the school should be able to utilize all its classroom spaces, and the teachers who are there would have to be scheduled in order to deal with them.
Regional education offices will disburse funds for schools to procure sanitization equipment and material. This will include the provision of masks for students who do not have them. Transportation support will also be provided for these students to ensure their safety. Still on COVID-19 containment measures, Jamaica's controlled re-entry program remains in place. This includes a negative COVID-19 test being required within 3 days of travel to the island, as well as a mandatory 14-day quarantine. The existing travel ban on South American countries remains in effect until June 2 and has now been expanded to include India and Trinidad and Tobago. Other local containment measures are also still in effect, including protocols governing public gathering limits, mask wearing and social distancing, as well as the operation of markets, public transportation, funerals, burials, worship services, and weddings. Beaches and rivers not under management remain closed. The stay-at-home order for persons 60 and over continue, as do the work-from-home arrangement and rules governing amusement establishments and parks.
Madam Speaker, effective May 5, 2021, annual general meetings or extraordinary general meetings of companies and general or special meetings of cooperative societies, friendly societies, or industrial or provident societies may be held with a maximum of 15 persons present, including technical support personnel.
Prime Minister Holness says the e-commerce National Delivery System, or ENDS program, will start registering businesses island-wide on May 6. And the state's vaccination program is ongoing, with over 140,000 Jamaicans receiving their first dose of the vaccine. In other news, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says government is doing everything possible to give teachers and students the support they need. In addition to the distribution of more electronic learning devices, Mr. Holness says the internet infrastructure will be upgraded to improve virtual learning island-wide. The Prime Minister, who was delivering his Teachers' Day message on Wednesday, commended the exceptional and inspirational educators who are going above and beyond during the pandemic.
Government continues to empower and support your efforts in teaching in a pandemic by providing thousands of electronic devices to both teachers and students.
And finally, parents are being urged to read more with their children.
I know it is very challenging for parents and for teachers. I want to continue to encourage you. I want to tell you thanks as well for the effort that you are making in ensuring that our children still get education at this time. As much as possible and as many times as you can, read to your children.
The Prime Minister's urging came on Tuesday as the nation observed Read Across Jamaica Day. Education Minister Favour Williams is also encouraging reading among students and all adults in Jamaica. Meanwhile, the staff at the Jamaica Information Service joined in on yesterday's celebration with their own staging of an event to mark the day. More than 11,000 viewers were reached on social media. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.